Organizations today are finally addressing the issue relative to the economic impact of a data breach. But what they're not addressing proactively is what the reputational harm might be to a data breach. And part of that reputational harm is the way you handle a breach at the moment it occurs, at the moment it becomes public. That's when the clock starts ticking. That's when risk managers need to think about what kind of impact will this have on our reputation? What kind of crisis management plan do we have? What kind of incident response plan do we have? Many organizations, and particularly those in the small and middle market sector, fail to recognize the importance of an incident response plan prior to a breach. The what to do, the how-to guide in addressing customers, employees, or other people whose information may have been compromised. So Chubb's insureds have a huge valuable tool, an asset to them that they can use at the moment of a breach, and that's the Chubb Risk Hub. This puts our risk managers in direct contact with a data breach coach who will walk them through the incident response plan. All of these steps that a risk manager takes and that an organization takes will preserve or help to preserve their reputation. If you look at past breach experiences, it's obvious how important it is to preserve your reputation. It's obvious how important it is to address a risk timely, efficiently, provide the right amount of information to those who've been affected by the breach, to explain to those individuals what you will do to protect from future identity theft exposures. All of these steps that a company can take will mitigate the impact on their reputation. You can't put a price on your reputation. A data breach can literally put a company out of business because of reputational damages. Not just the economic impact of a data breach, but the reputational exposure that you put your company at the moment you make your data breach public.